Big old monster red on here. It's gonna come up right there. Beast. Get him up here close. I'm gonna hand one of y'all this camera. Video it right here. Them big ones just go. I love that drag, boy. Let me throw you back up there. Should just keep it up like that. Put this one on YouTube.
That was working hard.
Look at that beast. That's another monster. Golly. Beast.
Another ride.
Like all of that.
Another ride.
That's the fun part, though, man. What you're here for. Oh, dude. Look at it. Right here's where you don't run a rush. You're doing all those curls for him. Wow. Keep cranking on him right there. No, stop right there. Stop. Now, he turns his head to you. That sucker's a beast now. Golly, just easy on him. We don't want to horse him right here. That's a big beast. Can you see him right there? Look at that sucker.
Wow. What a profile.
Keep him coming. Just keep him easy on him, reel down. Keep his head up. Wow,
Man.
Woo!
That was a good night.
This is huge. What is the huge one? I think it's the same one we caught yesterday.
Good
I'm
night.
not surprised.
Wow, man.
I mean, I need a break.
Wow.
Saltwater Assassin Fishing Charters right there, baby. Way to go,
Wow.
dude. That's awesome. Come get a big.